Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Yes, it is possible to repair a torn memory foam mattress topper. First, use a gentle adhesive like fabric glue or a memory foam repair kit. Apply the adhesive to both sides of the tear, press them together, and let it dry completely. For larger tears, consider using a patch of memory foam from another piece and securing it with adhesive. Proper repair can extend the life of your topper.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.